back to my channel, Diya. So guys, today I'm going to make our night dinner. As I have made my breakfast 2 times, so this time I'll make my night dinner. So in dinner I will make palak. Palak and onion means spinach and onion paratha. So let's go and see. But my mother also helped a little bit with me. So let's go and see how I did it. Now I am making the batter, means the roll, means my mom needed it, the batter roll. So now I made some too, and my mother is with me. So I am frying. Yay! I'm very excited. There we go. I put that oil and just spread it. There we go. Nicely spread it. Now I'll just flip it off. There we go. I flipped it. Now I'll sim the gas and again pour some oil on it. There we go, and I will spread it over. So there we go. I spread it all, and now I'll just hide the flame. Oh, it just fell. So now I'll just high up the flame. There. It will take a little time. So at that time, please like and subscribe my channel. There we go. So now I will let you see how I roll the batter, means the parathe, the needed batter dough. So let's see how I do it. So first I will keep it there and just press it a little and then spin it a little with the atta, and there we go. Let's roll it. Yay, I'm very excited. Let's flip it. There we go. Pour some little atta, and there we go. I'm rolling and bowling. So let's roll it nicely. There we go. I think it's all done, so I'll keep in the plate. So here we go. I'll make another dough, means another paratha with dough. Let's see how do I do it. see how it is. There we go. This is very hot. It's very yummy. Seriously, so yummy. As my mom helped me a lot to make these parathas. So let's eat with me, and please like and subscribe my channel. See you soon in my next video. Bye.